What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, behind me here, we have this Mower lawnmower that doesn't want to start. So today we're going to try and get it to run and hopefully make it able to cut grass again. Let's begin this video. Yeah, so this is a Mower lawnmower powered by a 87.5 series Brazen Stratton electric start, and the engine just doesn't want to run. It just keeps cranking, and nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if it has a spark, then eventually check the compression, and then we're going to see if there's any safety switches that are broken that need to be replaced. So first off, let's start with the spark. Alright, so me and my grandma just moved the lawnmower to over here, and what we need to do now is we have to figure out how to get this thing off so we can see if the lawnmower has spark. So let's do that. Alright, so right now we have this charger thing up, charging up the batteries, and we have to jump it to start every time because the battery is broken. We tried starting it with it plugged in, and for some reason it's just not going, so we're gonna wait for this to charge up for a little bit and then we'll be right back. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes right now. It went up just a little bit right there, so we're gonna give another start here. And still nothing. Well, we'll have to figure out what's going on. Alright, so we found what the issue was. We didn't have these terminals here hooked up to there, but instead we had it hooked up to right there. So that's why the thing wasn't starting. So now when you start it, that's all it does basically. So we got that issue figured out. Now we got to figure out why it's not starting, which we're going to do in about 5 minutes. Alright, so right now we're seeing
See your spark?
Yep. Alright.
So you got plenty of spark.
We have plenty of sparks, and then that's not the issue. So now you gotta figure out another reason why it's not starting. So
right.
I guess we'll check out the compression since you had the spark plug off.
Feel the hole.
Yeah.
And you feel where the hold this wire.
Okay.
Just like that. And you feel where the hole is. Put your finger over it.
Got shocked?
Yeah, because I was touching this too.
Oh, you don't want to do that.
No. Oh, it's got some compression. Here.
All right. Oh shit! Sorry.
Don't let go of it.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's got spark. It's got compression. So it must be some bad switch or something maybe. We'll have to look at.
Yeah, this has spark.
Yeah.
So we put this back in.
All right. Let's see that right now. All right. So right now we're checking the air filter out. See how it looks. Looks pretty dirty. Maybe we can try starting it off to see if it goes.
Yep.
Alright, so we gotta hook this stuff back up then. Oh, almost went.
I think it's out of time. Unplug it.
Yeah, I think it's out of time too, so. Alright guys, so it's not an air issue, because if it was an air issue, it would have started right up. So it's not air, it's not compression, it's not spark. Maybe it's time, so we're going to check that out right now. Alright guys, so we're doing timing right now. Trying to get the timing good. Just took the whole cover off and everything, so we have access to the engine here. I really hope it's just something like the timing, because I really don't want to get into the electrical and finding which safety switch is bad. That's going to take a while.
Okay.
Okay. And there goes the
Now,
flywheel.
If you look over here, see this little notch?
Yeah.
See that little keyway?
Yeah.
When I got this thing, they hit something with it when they were mowing,
Yeah.
and that key is put in there to, if you hit something, it'll shear that key off,
Okay.
and then it won't start.
Yeah, so that's weird. So that must be.
That's what times the motor.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that's why they make that key aluminum, So if you're mowing along and you hit a rock or something and it stops that blade instead of ruining the engine, this thing just shears off and it'll sound like it's sound pop through the carburetor, not running right.
Okay.
But to me, that looks like it's where it's supposed to be. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it does.
It doesn't look like it's that far off, even if it's off.
Yeah.
Because if you wipe it and you bring the light over here, see?
Yeah.
It's like right there.
Huh. Well, if somebody had something electrical or something. I don't know.
Yeah, but what can it be? We got spark.
We have spark, we have compression, we have timing. The only two things I left is either the engine's not getting fuel or it's a safety switch that's bad. But I figured some of them out. Alright, so right now we're seeing if the carburetor is good. We're just putting a little bit of fuel in the intake here. And if it starts up for a second, then that means the carburetor is not clogged because the fuel ran into the piston and it started. Now if it doesn't start, then that means the carburetor is clogged and we need to take it apart. So we're praying that it starts up. And it's not an issue like that because that can take a while. You might need to plug it in. Here. Plug it in.
Aha.
What? What?
Blew a fuse.
Blew a fuse?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Seized up something. I think this fuse just blew.
Did. I seen a spark. That's not good.
Yeah, now we got nothing.
Oh, well. Yeah, it's a fuse that's bad.
Okay, unplug it.
Alright. Alright, so we just got back from the parts store right now and we found this fuse, a new one, so we're gonna put the fuse back in there and hopefully the mower should start up. Maybe. We're gonna find out. Yeah, it's seized up again. Alright, we're cleaning up the mower because it's seized again.
Okay. Something went loose inside the motor.
I think it did too.
We backing up for you, Frank?
Not really. A little bit, maybe. Come on. Yeah! You got it. Alright, so the mower did start up again. We're not sure if it's a fuse or the issue fixes itself within the mower, but we're going to do a time lapse of putting it back together again, so let's do this. Okay, so we just got the whole mower put together again, and now we're going to do a test run to see if the mower still starts up when it's put together. Well, it runs pretty good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really happy we got the mower going. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe for more videos like this. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, if you didn't know, I finally made it to Florida, so future YouTube videos will be filmed here. Thank you guys for watching.